Reptiles name and their speciality. First, crocodile. This is crocodile, a powerful predator with strong jaws and a sneaky swim. Next, alligator. This is alligator. Looks like a crocodile but has a U-shaped snout. Next, Komodo dragon. This is Komodo dragon, the largest lizard with venomous bite and strong tail. Next, chameleon. This is chameleon. Changes color to hide and has a super long sticky tongue. Next, gecko. This is gecko, a small lizard that can walk upside down on walls. Next, monitor lizard. This is monitor lizard. Big, strong and very fast hunters. Next, green iguana. This is green iguana, a peaceful lizard with a spiky back and long tail. Next, frilled lizard. This is frilled lizard. Opens a big frill around its neck when scared. Next, basilisk lizard. This is basilisk lizard. Can run on water using its fast feet. Next, bearded dragon. This is bearded dragon, a friendly pet lizard that puffs out its beard. Next, anole. This is anole, a colorful little lizard that can change color. Next, tokay gecko. This is tokay gecko, known for its loud tokay sound and bright spots. Skink. This is skink, a shiny, smooth lizard that can regrow its tail. Gila monster. This is Gila monster, a venomous lizard that lives in deserts. Next, snake. This is snake, long legless reptiles that slither and hiss. Next, king cobra. This is king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake. Next, python. This is python, a huge snake that squeezes its prey tightly. Next, anaconda. This is anaconda, one of the heaviest snakes in the world. Next, rattlesnake. This is rattlesnake, warms with its rattle before it strikes. Boa constrictor. This is boa constrictor, strong muscles to crush its food before eating. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.